Boom! It is Simba the Speaker here. Welcome back to the Simba the Speaker channel. Yes, I am your cleaning guide to cleaning business success. Yes, welcome back. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell notification. We drop videos every Tuesday and Thursday at 6 p.m. Now, if you are a person that have technically been on this channel and watching my videos, first I want to say thank you for supporting the channel. To both new and old viewers, I want to say, please take the time to go watch the previous videos. I always say in all my other videos that my videos usually tend to stack up upon one another. What does that mean? That a lot of my videos contain information. I take that same information and put it into the videos I talk about now. So I want to say thank you to everybody once again. When you watch these videos, if at the end of the video, if you like the video, you got value from the video, or you felt the passion I put into my videos to give you guys value, please give me a thumbs up. Just like the video. It doesn't cost you anything, but it means everything to me. Now, at the bottom of this video is going to be the details. There are two important links that I want you guys to pay attention to. So, the two important links first is the school community link, which is our community link where we talk about everything remote cleaning business. We talk about how to start, automate, and scale your remote cleaning business. As well, I also want you to pay attention to the booking link. Now, look, if you're looking to start a remote cleaning business, maybe, you want to put money into your children's, college funds, or you want to pay off debt, or you want to take your family out on a vacation once or twice a year, right? Or maybe you just simply want to get into entrepreneurship. Book a consultation with me, a one-on-one. Now, the beauty about the remote cleaning business is that a lot of owners run a remote cleaning business and have a 9-to-5. So don't have this limited belief that, I have to pick one or the other. You can do both if you would like. If you would like, you could do just one. Book a consultation with me. Let's talk about it, and we will get it going. Once again, I want to say thank you guys for being here. It means a lot. It means a lot. And we are going to get into the topic for today. So what I want to talk about is Facebook Marketplace. How to use Facebook Marketplace for clients. Now, Facebook is a great way to not only find cleaners, and I will make a separate video about that, but Facebook is a great place to find clients as well. Now, the thing about Facebook, and I'm going to talk about this within the video, is that with Facebook, we're dealing with real people. It's one thing when a client calls you and is intentionally looking for a cleaning. It's another thing when you're going into community chats or Facebook Marketplace, because I guess community chats would be like Facebook groups, but it's more so Facebook Marketplace. But some of these strategies could also be used for Facebook groups. It's a difference when you're actually going in and looking kind of for clients or trying to convince someone to buy from you, right? And so with that being said, you can't really come in the same way, right? There's kind of a way you have to enter the marketplace when it comes to going through Facebook. So we're going to talk about that today. And once again, if you stay to the end of this video, I usually try to do as much as possible to add in bonus tips, right? So I have 3 strategies here, but if you include the 2 bonus tips, I am going to give you 5 strategies. So I try to do everything I can, as you can see, to put as much value in this video. But to not waste your time, let's get straight into it. How to use Facebook Marketplace for clients. First thing I want to focus on, don't post like an ad, post like a service offering. You don't want to be generic. You want to specify what you are doing. Now look at some example headlines. Move out cleaning, fast appointments available this week. Apartment cleaning, same week opening. Busy parents, we clean so you don't have to, right? And so what you want to find yourself doing, you don't want to find yourself to go into the Facebook market and say, hey, you need a cleaning, book me. Hey, cleaning service here, text it for a quote. That doesn't attract a client, or that doesn't move a client enough to want them to come get a quote from you, right? And so especially if we have a bunch of cleaners all typing the same thing. Once again, this is what I mean by when I say my videos stack upon one another. If you go watch my previous videos, I talk about this. Positioning yourself so that you do not look like every other cleaner. Now, putting something very generic like, hey, we're a cleaner, we got services, message us for a quote. That's a very generic statement. You're not going to stand out. But do you see these headlines here, right? So these are very specified, right? So if someone, for example, Facebook Marketplace has a lot of people that usually are selling their properties, trying to rent it out, whatever. So now when you look at these headlines are very precise, right? If you have an apartment, you need same week cleaning. Maybe you're moving out and you need someone to clean your property fast. Maybe you're a busy parent. You were just on Facebook Market looking for something. You need something to clean. You need someone to clean your property. These are very specific headlines, right? And so it targets an exact type of client, right? And so what I say in my other videos is you don't want to be generic and sit there and try to get a bunch of clients and you not stand out, but you want to get your specified clients. So having these specified headlines is going to be able to hook a client more to take action, right? Busy parents, we clean so you don't have to. Imagine that compared to, hey, we have a cleaning company, book a quote or message us for a quote. This one doesn't really move people to take action. Now, this one, if I'm a busy parent, my kids are running all around the house, my husband is busy working, and I'm looking around and the property is not clean, right? This is going to move me to take action. So you want to make sure that you have a headline that is going to move a client to take action. So that's what I mean. Don't post like an ad, because when you're posting like an ad would be, hey, we have cleaning services, message up for a quote, versus having a service offer that you're offering, right? You're looking to actually get a headline, what I like to call a hook, and going to hook a client to take action. Now, the next thing you want to focus on is high intent titles, right? So a lot of times Facebook Marketplace is good for urgent needs. These are people that are trying to have someone take action immediately. Maybe they're trying to rent their homes or sell their homes, right? These things are actions that people want to urgently get done, right? If you're selling your home, you obviously want to urgently get it done. If you're trying to rent your home, you're obviously trying to urgently get a tenant in because it would help you out. So when you focus on move-out cleaning, deep cleaning, apartment turnover, post-renovation cleaning, these are the type of clients that are ready to buy. But you have to make sure that you are putting a high intent titles. Going back to the generic thing, you know what? Just because of that, I like drawing these arrows, guys. It's really cool, right? So you want to make sure that the titles you have are very high intent, right? Move out cleaning, deep cleaning, apartment turnover, post renovation cleanings, right? You don't want to just say, hey, if you're looking for a cleaning, message us, right? It doesn't really grab the attention of someone that is high intent, a high intent client that is looking to get a cleaning done for another reason. Once again, go watch my previous video. I talk about that as well. So you want to make sure that the titles that you are using are high intent titles. Now, the last one I want to focus on, this is important. Remember, with Facebook, we are dealing with real people. Facebook has been a platform that's been out for years. I want to say over 20 plus years, maybe even more, right? So you want to make sure that you're using real photos. Photos increase trust massively. I'm telling you now. I talk about this in my previous video with Google. Photos help out so much and they increase trust. And I want to say this now. Don't use generic or what is it called? It's not called photoshopped. I forgot the type of photos are where you can just kind of like buy them from a website, right? You don't want to use those type of photos where people can tell, like, bro, this is not, you just purchased this off a website, right? Like, it just probably has a watermark from like another company. No, use photos, use before and after shots, clean kitchen and bathroom shots. Your cleaning subcontractor, or maybe if you have a team in uniform, your cleaning checklist with your brand, with your logo there, right? You want to use real photos to attract these clients. Professional presentation equals high perceived value. Once again, if you go into my previous video, I talk about positioning. How do you position yourself as a professional cleaning team, right? By having professional presentation, which will give you a higher perceived value, right? And so when you offer your price, people won't sit there and just price shop for you. They'll understand your value and be willing, or at least open, to pay the price that you are asking for, right? So you want to make sure that we have real photos. Photos help out a lot. I'm telling you, photos help out a lot. I remember when I had a friend that was looking to rent a property on Facebook Market, and the photos some of these homeowners were using were horrible. They were horrible photos, and I'm watching my friend skip over them. Now, whether the home was real or not, my friend didn't even take the chance to look at them based off the photos. So you want to be able to use real photos that are going to show actually what you're doing, so that it increases trust massively. Because for those homeowners, when my friend was looking to rent a home, he didn't trust the listing. And so you don't want to be a listing someone doesn't trust. You don't want to be in that position. So once again, when we're talking about how to use Facebook Marketplace for clients, you want to make sure that you're not posting an ad, but posting like a service offer. Use high intent titles and real photos to get your service out there. Now, once again, you stayed to the end of this video. We appreciate you. So because you stayed to the end of this video, I have 2 bonus tips that we're going to give you today. Let's get to it. Refresh and repost weekly. Marketplace favors active listings, right? So post 2 to 3 variations, refresh weekly, test different headlines. Consistency beats one perfect post. Now, I talk about this in a video about how to utilize Google, right? And it's the same thing with Google My Business Profile. You want to be active. You want to be active. Continuously post. Get a couple posts. You don't want to blow up Facebook Marketplace, but every week you want to be posting a couple times, trying different headlines, seeing what works, right? You want to kind of see what works. But what builds trust with different clients or potential clients is when they see a company is actively posting, because you look like a legitimate customer, right? Imagine someone that posts once a month, and now someone from 20 days after you posted looking at your profile, your post, and they're like, man, this person or this business posted 25 days ago, right? Who's to know if this is real or not? But when you're actively posting, trying different headlines, getting different photos out there, right? And you're every couple days, each week you're posting something out, right? And the cool thing is you can do a little bit of everything. Maybe one day you post your checklist. Maybe one day you post your team in a uniform. Maybe one day you post before and after shots, and then you change it up, right? When you're proactively posting, you just look a lot more legitimate, and you kind of build trust within clients a lot more. Let's get to the second one. Boom. Respond fast. Man, once again, my videos stack upon one another. Remember, once again, my videos stack upon one another. I talk about this with Google. Respond fast. Business loves speed. If there's one thing you remember, granted, you should remember a lot of these other things. Plus, I have it here written, so you can technically pause the video and take a picture and write it down. Business loves speed. So with that being said, what you can do is respond fast. Speed wins on marketplace. If you reply within minutes, you will have a lot more customers to be able to deal with, and you may even book a client in that moment. Ask simple qualifying questions. Offer quick quotes. Push towards booking immediately, even if you have to offer a discount, right? People love speed. Business loves speed. When someone messages you for a quote, when someone messages you for a cleaning, they don't want to wait 24 hours or a day or two for you to then message them back about a quote. Because then even if you're going to respond fast now, to them it's like, wow, am I going to have to wait 24 hours every time just to get a reply from you, right? So you want to be able to respond fast, right? And business loves speed. The quicker you respond, the quicker you can give them a quote, the quicker you actually might be able to get them to book. Because right here, 5 different ways to use Facebook Marketplace for clients. 5 different ways to use Facebook Marketplace for clients. Look, use these tips. These tips will work, please, right? Facebook Marketplace, and even Facebook groups. The reason I say Facebook groups work as well is because, for example, with Facebook groups, you don't want to post like an ad. Like, these are the type of things that you may want to post, or you may obviously want to even come in a little bit more soft. Hey, I'm a local cleaner company around the area. If you're a busy parent that may not have time to be able to clean, we clean so you don't have to. We'll take care of it. Just feel free to message us whenever you get a chance, right? Or you can even this is the way you can enter the Facebook group atmosphere as well. You join a community and just drop a photo. Hey, this is a before and after picture of something that we did. Let us know if you liked it, right? You don't even have to say message us for a quote. You can just simply say, hey, let us know if you liked it. And some people may say, hey, I love this. What would it cost to get something with us? And you could say, hey, I'll message you right now, right? You could come through a little bit more softer if you're posting before and after pictures as well. Now, then to combine it with this one, imagine if you're posting in a community group twice or 3 times a week, right? And then imagine when people comment to your post, then you respond back, hey, I DM you. Within 30 seconds, you DM them, right? Within 30 seconds, you get back to them. So if you utilize all of these things, that's why I say it's not just you can do one or the other, but if you couple these together, you are for sure guaranteed to be able to book clients. So definitely utilize these. You can use it for Facebook Marketplace, but you can also utilize these for Facebook groups as well and get in these communities. But I want to say thank you for being here and thank you for waiting to the end of the video. I greatly appreciate it. Once again, if you are new to the channel, click the bell notification, subscribe. We drop videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you are not new to the channel, thank you for being here and staying in the video. Whether you are someone that's been here or you are new to the channel, be sure to watch all the other videos as well. At the end of this video, if you felt like you got value or you felt the passion I put into this video to give you guys some value, please give me a thumbs up. It costs you nothing, but it means everything to me, so I appreciate it. Thank you so much. At the bottom of this video, once again, the details. Free community. It's a free community. The consultation is free, right? So, it costs nothing to you guys to talk to me to learn how to start this business. Even join the community and ask questions. So definitely feel free to take advantage of that as well. But once again, I appreciate you guys for being here. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.